So you want to take your DJI mics out of the charging case, as you can see here, and you can see as soon as you open it, the lights turn on. So you want to make sure that you take them out. So here I have the transmitters right here, and as you can see, both of them, the lights are flashing because they are waiting for connection. So you just want to make sure that the lights are flashing, and then when I take off the receiver right there, you just take a look at the lights. You can see that these ones on 1 and 2 have turned on, and the lights are now continuous, meaning that the transmitters are connected to the receiver. So the receiver is receiving signal from the two mics right there. So I'm just gonna put these down, and then next up you want to make sure that you grab your camera. It could be any camera that you're using, any camera that you have, and then you just want to make sure you take the hot shoe or the shoe mount right here, and then you insert it into the top of it, and just make sure it's nice, tight and snug like that. And then next up you want to grab the cable that comes with your camera, which is this cable here, and you want to connect it to this orange port here. You connect one end and then the other end to your mic input on your camera. So I'm gonna connect it there. As you can see, the colors are similar, so I'm just gonna make sure I connect it just like that. Okay, so now we're connected. So now we're almost done, and then I'm gonna make sure I turn on the camera just like this. So you want to go into your camera settings, into your audio settings, and then you want to make sure that you come to the audio settings. Like for the Sony camera here, I can go in like this, and then you can see the level, like you can see the meter here showing how loud these mics are right now. So if I tap on them, you can see that there is signal, and I am still talking. So what you want to do is make sure that this level that you see over here is to its most minimum level. So I'm gonna keep going all the way down up until I reach 0. You see it's on 0 right now, meaning that it's not receiving any signal. So if you can see right here, as I'm talking, there's no signal right here. So I just want to move it one notch up to 1. And if I move it up to 1, you can see we're starting to get some signal here. But we're not done yet, because what you have is a volume level up top here. You see where you have the orange that says 0, and then you have a big one over here. You want to turn that up to 6, and then you want to keep testing your sound. So I'm just going to grab one of these mics and I'm going to put it to my mouth like this, and you can see we have a signal right there, but it's not a really big signal. So I'm going to come back and put it to 12, to plus 12, to add more. And if I take the mics again and then I put them to my mouth and then I start speaking, you can see that now it's hitting around minus 12 and even higher, which is a safe place for you to set up your mics at. And then now, after you have that set up, you are ready to record. You can now just grab either one of these mics. If you're recording alone, then you can just use just one, and then you can put the other one back in the charging case so it stays fully charged. And then you just take it, remove the magnet and clip it to yourself, and they are ready to use anytime you record with your camera. So you just now start recording, and then you can basically talk into the mic, and then it's receiving the signal there. Thanks so much for watching on how to set up your DJI Mic Minis to your camera, any camera you have.